Happy morning, children. Welcome back to the 3rd standard mathematics ICSE. Today we are going to continue the second unit, addition. So previous section we completed exercise 2.1 to 2.4. So in that exercise we learned about addition of a 3-digit number as well as addition of a 4-digit number. Now today's class we are going to learn exercise 2.5. In that exercise we are going to learn about estimate and add. What is mean by estimation? It's nothing but a round of numbers. We learned a round of numbers in the first unit itself. That is round of nearest to 10. That's only we are going to do again here after doing the round of numbers. We are going to do the addition. Let me take one example. 52. 52 is round off nearest to 50. How means we need to see the ones place number. If the ones place number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we should write as the tens place number 5 means we have to write as it is 5. 50 alone. Next 78. See the ones place number. If the number is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we need to add 1 with the tens place number. Here 7 is there, so 7 plus 1, 8. So 78 is round off nearest to 80. Okay children, if we know that round off numbers, we can do this estimate and addition easily. So coming to the exercise 2.6, in that exercise we are going to learn about word problems. Word problems are nothing but real life applications. So we are going to make a statement for the sums and we are going to do the addition for the sums. Let us go to the exercise now.
Exercise 2.5 in page number 31. We are going to do this estimation round of nearest to 10 as well as we are going to do the addition. Here, first sum 45 plus 28. They given the actual addition also, round it off addition also. First one is actual addition. 5 plus 8, 13, 3, 1 carry over. 1 plus 4 plus 2, it is 7. So actual addition 45 plus 28 is equal to 73. Now we are going to do the round of numbers, then do the addition. 45 is round of nearest to 50 since one's place number is 5. Next to 28 is round of nearest to 30. Now you can do the addition. 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. Second sum 26, 55. So first actual addition is 5 plus 6, 11, 1 should be carry over, 1 plus 2 plus 5. So it is 8. So 28 plus 55 is 81. Now round off number. 26 is round off nearest to 30. 55 is round off nearest to 60. Now do the addition. 30 plus 60 is 90. In this exercise, similarly, we have 6 sums. You can complete in the book itself. No need to copy in the classwork. Next exercise 2.6 in page number 32. This is the last exercise in this unit. First one, solve the word problems. See children, they given the sentence also in the book itself. We are going to complete in the book itself. First one, a vegetable seller earns rupees 485 on Monday and rupees 649 on Tuesday. How much did he earn on these 2 days? That is the question. So how to make a sentence? Earning on Monday is equal to rupees 485. Earning on Tuesday is equal to rupees 649. Earning on both the days is equal to rupees 485 plus rupees 649. There is a rough column is given. You can write the number and do the addition. Finally, we got the answer rupees 1134. See children, this is what we are going to arrange the numbers, the equal signs and all. See children, it should be in a equal order. Then only we can do the addition correctly. Second sum also we can do it in the book itself. There are 1572 students in the primary wings of the school and 849 students in the middle wing. How many students are there in the school? That is the question. So sentences, see children, students in the primary wing is equal to 1572. Students in the middle wing is equal to 8049. Therefore, total number of students is equal to 1572 plus 849. You can write it in the rough column. They given nicely. We have to write the number according to the place value, then do the addition. The final answer will be there are 2421 students in the school. B1, solve these word problems. This we can write it in the CW as I shown here. First one is on Monday, Reena saw 24 butterflies on one bush and 32 butterflies on another bush. How many butterflies did Reena see in all? That is the question. So, see in all is the clue word. So, it will be addition. See children, we can frame the sentence. Number of bushes in one, number of butterflies in one bush is equal to 24. Number of butterflies in another bush is equal to 32. Therefore, total number of butterflies is equal to, add the total, 24 plus 32. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. So, answer will be 56 butterflies. Second sum, there are 121 people in a compartment of a train. In another compartment, there are 112 people. How many people are there in both the compartment? That is a question. For the solution is sentence, number of people in a compartment is equal to 121. Number of people in another compartment is equal to 112. Therefore, number of people in both the compartment is equal to, do the addition, start from ones place, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 2. So, totally the answer will be 233 passengers are there in the train. Third question, there are 650 packets of milk in a dairy. The mother dairy truck deliver 297 more packets of milk. How many packets of milk are there in the library? That is a question. So, we are going to do the addition. Solution, first sentence, number of milk packets in a dairy is equal to 650. Number of more packets delivered is equal to 297. Therefore, total number of milk packets is equal to, you can do the addition from ones place, 0 plus 7, 7, 5 plus 9, 14, 4 and 1 should be carry over, 1 plus 6 plus 2, that is 9. Therefore, the answer is 947 packets of milk. Fourth question, on a particular day, 875 boys and 562 girls were present in the school. Find the total number of students present in the school. That's a question. We are going to write the solution for that. Number of boys present is equal to 875. Number of girls present is equal to 562. Therefore, total number of students present is equal to, do the addition, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 3 and 1 should be carry over, 1 plus 8 plus 5, 14. So, total number of students is 1437. That's the answer. Fifth question, in a box there are 1499 pencils and in a carton there were 788 pencils. How many pencils were there in all? So, we are going to do the addition. First sentence, number of pencils in a box is equal to 1499. Second sentence, number of pencils in a carton is equal to 788. Therefore, total number of pencils is equal to, do the addition, start from a ones place number, 9 plus 8 is equal to 17, 7, 1 should be carry over, 1 plus 9 plus 8, 18, 8 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 4 plus 7. It is 12. 2 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is 2287. Sixth question, public library bought 2,947 books from the Delhi Book Fair and 5,050 books from the World Book Fair in 2012. How many books in all did the library buy? That's a question. Solution. Number of books bought from a Delhi Book Fair is equal to 2,947. Number of books bought from a World Book Fair is equal to 5,050. Therefore, total number of books bought is equal to, do the addition from ones place onwards. 7 plus 0, 7. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 5, 7. The answer is 7,997 books. Seventh question, in a garden there are 375 roses, 672 marigold and 142 lilies. How many flowers are there in the garden? That is a question. We have a 3 sentence to make because the 3 types of flowers are there. Number of roses is equal to 375. Number of marigold is equal to 672. Number of lilies is equal to 142. Therefore, total number of flowers is equal to, do the addition from ones place. 5 plus 2 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 7 plus 4, 18. 8 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, it is 11. The answer will be 1,189 flowers. The last sum in this exercise, 8th one. On Saturday, 1,475 men, 309 women and 2,787 children visited the Science Museum. How many people in all visited the Science Museum on Saturday? That is a question. Solution. Number of men is equal to 1,475. Number of women is equal to 309. Number of children is equal to 2,787. Then the answer is, therefore the total number of people visited museum equal to, do the addition from ones place number onwards. 5 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 21 and 2 should be carry over. Next, tens place. 2 plus 7 plus 0 plus 8, it is 17. 7 and 1 should be carry over. Hundreds place addition. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7, that is 15. 5 and 1 should be carry over in the thousands place. Thousands place addition is 1 plus 1 plus 2, it is 4. The answer is 4,571 people.
Children, today's class we started with the exercise 2.5. In that exercise we read about the round of numbers, estimation of numbers, and we did the addition. Then we'll go to that, we did the exercise 2.6. In that exercise we read about the word problems. We completed the second unit today. We'll go to the new unit on the next class. I hope that you people understand about this. Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe.